Joining us on the show now is Nagaraj Shetti, Technical Research Analyst at HDFC Securities. What's your view on Nifty after this series expiry?
Good morning. Nifty has been in a sharp downtrended move over the last few weeks as we observe downfall in the market as per the negative sequence of lower tops and bottoms. Recently, after forming a swing low of 10,867 levels, Nifty showed upside bounce and currently is not sustaining the upside bounce and slipping into decline in the last couple of sessions. The overall chart pattern for the Nifty is weak. One may expect a retest of the recent support of 10,865 levels for the Nifty, or even could break below this in the next few sessions.
Nagaraj, what's your call on the Bank Nifty today?
The same story for the Bank Nifty as well, after showing a minor upside bounce and previously was not able to sustain the 25,600 levels and slipped into decline in the last couple of sessions. Currently, the Bank Nifty future is expected to slide down to 24,600 to 500 levels in the next 1 week.
Right. What's your call on Sept? Do you think that's a stock which can do well?
Infra, has been in an intermediate downtrend over the last few months. Recently, after showing into a shifting into a consolidation pattern, slipped into violent decline in last session. The overall chart pattern for Infra is looking weak. One may expect further weakness for this stock price in the coming weeks.
No. I was talking about Sept Limited. Can you talk about Sept? What is your view on that name?
Sept Limited, after showing an upside bounce, shifted into a larger consolidation pattern and recently broke below this consolidation in last few sessions. The overall chart pattern for Sept Limited is also looking weak. Currently, the stock price is making an attempt to move below the immediate support. The overall chart pattern is weak. One may look to sell Sept at current market and one may look to sell on rise as well.
Any stock ideas for us, Nagaraj, that we need to keep eye on?
My two stock picks are, first is Arvind, second is Granules. Arvind, after showing upside momentum, shifted into a larger consolidation pattern as per weekly time frame. This triangle pattern has been broken down on the lower side in the last couple of weeks. Currently, the whole chart pattern is looking weak for the Arvind and RSI, and volume is also supporting further weakness. One may look to sell at current market as well as look to sell on rise as well and wait for the downside target of around 8 to 10% for the Arvind in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Second pick is Granules. Granules, after showing the upside bounce, met with a strong resistance, currently showing weakness, downward correction from the highs. The overall chart pattern for the Granules is also looking weak. One may look to sell at current market, look to sell on rise as well, wait for the downside target of around 8 to 10% in the next couple of weeks.
Thanks so much for taking out time for us this morning and telling us what to expect in the market. On that note, we're completely out of time on market. But before we go into the break, let's listen in to Rise with India idea with Navneet Munot, CIO of SBI Mutual Fund, who believes